is Brianna T. Scott, and I am the member and founding owner of Brianna T. Scott and Associates. Brianna T. Scott and Associates has been a progression which has transpired over the course of 10 years as I have practiced as an attorney here in Muskegon County. I first started off in 2000 working at the Muskegon County Prosecutor's Office. There I was hired in as an assistant prosecuting attorney. There in that office, I had the opportunity to work as a trial attorney. I tried hundreds of cases during the course of my time in an almost 3-year period in the criminal sector, defending people of the state of Michigan. I really enjoyed that job. It gave me the opportunity to really hone my skills as a litigator, and that is exactly what I like to do most, is to be in the courtroom, to be able to try cases, to be able to engage witnesses, do cross-examination, put on evidence. That is where I thrive. That is my stage, and I enjoy it very much. Having been a prosecutor for almost 3 years, I decided that I needed to do something different. I felt that I wasn't really utilizing my degree to the fullest extent. I thought that I had honed my skills as much as I would be able to in that arena, and I really wanted to try to do other types of law. And so I delved into the private sector. I worked at a law firm in Muskegon for a little over 2 years as an associate. I had the opportunity to really learn what civil litigation is all about, engage in family law. I also practiced in other areas such as neglect and abuse as a contracted attorney with the County of Muskegon. In addition to that, I was able to have the opportunity to work alongside some very, very exceptionally experienced private attorneys in that office who were the partners at that time, and really to learn from them. And I decided at that point that I was going to try to get into everything that I possibly could in order to determine what it was that I enjoyed doing the most. So I had the opportunity in the prosecutor's office to do criminal law. When I went into the private sector, I did family law, I did municipal law, I did landlord-tenant law. I engaged in general civil litigation, which is trial work. I was able to do probate and estate work and trust planning and will planning. I also had the opportunity to get involved in workers' compensation and Social Security disability. And so there were just so many different avenues that it was exciting to me because it allowed me to really learn new areas of the law. And upon doing that, I realized that this is exactly what I want to do. I want to be a general practitioner where I won't be jaded. I actually have various areas of specialty and something always new to do every day. Different clients from different backgrounds depending on the different types of cases that I take, and I'm in charge of my own destiny. I did start my own law firm back in 2005 with a former law partner of mine, and we split ways at the beginning of January 2010. It's been a great transition for me. It's allowed me to really just determine my own destiny and to really be able to take charge and take control and to depend on myself. I maintain the same staff. I'm in the same office location at 75 West Apple Avenue. I really love my staff. They're very experienced women. And at this time, I have also been able to hire other associates to come work in this office, which allows us to do even more for our clientele and to provide other areas of specialty that I may not have necessarily specialized in. And that goes into the criminal law and some other things that some of the other associates do more than I do myself.